In this video, I want to make a summary of everything that you know about present simple and present continuous. So please first open the PDF that's attached after the video and look at the exercises. If you need, make a revision of the tenses, or at least watch the beginning of this video, and after that pause everything, do the exercises, and let's check them together. So starting with a summary of the two tenses about the present, which you know: present simple, present continuous. When we use them, you know about the time markers. When the time marker indicates that the action happens every day, then you use present simple. Present simple, speaking about him, her, it, or he, she, it, we always add s at the end of the verb in a positive sentence. The negative sentence is formed with doesn't and the basic form of the verb, the question does and the basic form of the verb. With all other pronouns, I, you, we, they, we use only the basic form of the verb, form the negative with don't, and ask the question with do. By contrast, present continuous is used when we are talking about something which is happening at the moment of speaking, now. How we form it? The appropriate form, the correct form of the verb to be, plus the verb, plus ing. And we are always careful about the spelling. So now is the moment to pause the video and to do the exercises. Okay? Let's check them. In the first one, you need to open the brackets. I leave home at 7 every morning. Just today, I'm going out at 8. Usually, I do something at 7. But today, which means now, I'm doing something different. To show this contrast, for the usual action, you use present simple. For the action which is an exception of the rule, which is different from the rule, you use present continuous. I'm going out at 8. The same logic in the other sentences. She usually works from home, but today she is going to the office. Usually, present simple, but today, which is an exception from the rule, which is different from the general rule, today she is going to the office. She doesn't wash her hair every day. Every day marker for present simple. Doesn't, negative sentence. She doesn't wash her hair every day. He tries very hard in every game that he plays. In general, every time, every game. Every game means that the action associated with this every game repeats, right? It repeats more than once. And when you speak about such things which happen regularly, we use present simple. He tries very hard in every game that he plays. Next exercise, again open the brackets. Usually I work till 6, but today, contrast, I am working till 7. Usually, always, and whatever, these adverbs of frequency, if you remember the terminology here, they need present simple. Usually I work, but today I am working. I don't like drinking coffee. I don't like it in general. After don't like, we need the verb plus ing. I don't like drinking. I don't like drinking coffee. Don't like drinking, this is present simple, Be careful. When you see the drinking form, it's not present continuous. After like, we need verb posing. So this is the correct verb structure. Number 3. She goes to the gym every day, but she doesn't like doing exercises, cardio exercises. Every day, present simple. But she doesn't like, again in general, she doesn't like plus verb posing. She doesn't like doing cardio exercises. My brother is a writer, in general. He doesn't have any other hobby, in general. Question. What is the form of the verb to be in present continuous? The same as in present simple, exactly. I am, and that's it. I'm here, now. It's not I am being here now. I am here. Remember this one. The forms of the verb to be in present simple and in present continuous are one and the same. Next exercise. You need to write sentences. I am taking the bus to work, but usually I walk. But introduces contrast. It means that there is contrast between the first and the second part of the sentence. In the second part, you have the marker usually. Usually I walk. So I'm taking the bus to work this week, but usually I walk. She speaks 3 languages, but she doesn't speak Italian. In general, the 2 actions are in general. She speaks 3 languages in general, but in general, she doesn't speak Italian. Usually, I go out at 4, but today I'm going out at 6. Usually something is happening? No, usually something happens. So be very careful here. Usually, present simple. But today, contrast, I'm going out at 6. I hope these 2 tenses are clear now, and so we are ready to continue. The next 2 lectures, we are going to talk about the future. So let's get started.